Hello my friends, welcome in this video of the Albanian language with me Viola, and in this lesson I'm going to continue with the short story. So today I have chosen for you a short story with the title Bardhoshi dhe katër lepurushët. First I'm going to read the story in Albanian, then I will translate it in English, and then I will teach you some words and phrases to understand better Albanian language. Before we start, I want you to subscribe on my channel because what I notice is that 70% of people that are watching my videos are actually not subscribed. So that will help me a lot. Please subscribe on my channel. Now, let's start with the story. The story is from a writer from my city, Elbasan, and his name is Astrit Bishqemi. The story for sure is for children, so that's why it's not very complicated, but at the same time, it's very good to learn Albanian language. Let's start. Bardhoshi dhe katër lepurushët. Ishte një fëmijë që e quanin Bardhosh. Këtij Bardhoshit një ditë mamaja i bleu një triko të bukur. Trikoja kishte ngjyrë të blertë si bari i lëndinave në pranverë. Katër lepurush bore të bardhë qëndronin mbi një shirit të kuq në gjoks. Ata mbanin nga një fyll në gojë dhe i binin gjithnjë. Nga që i pëlqeu shumë trikoja, djali e mbajti gjithë ditën veshur. Madje edhe në darkë deshi të flinte me të. Ra në shtrat, por kishte vap, ndaj pas pak e hoqi dhe e hodhi tej. Gjumi e suri shpejt. Bardhoshi ndjeu lëvizje të lehtë. Mbi trikon e blertë dalloi një si mjegull të bardhë. Jo, nuk ishte mjegull, padale. Ishin lepurushët, fyet i mbanin në duar. Po largoheshin nga trikoja. Ku shkonin vallë? I pari tha, unë po iki, u mërzita. Më vjen turp të zbukuroj trikon e një fëmije që s'di të ri pastër. Edhe unë do të shkoj, ja priti i dyti. Isha i bardh, por Bardhoshi fshiu gishtërin tek unë dhe më bëri tër njolla boje. A ka lepurush blu? Mua më thye fyelli mbrëm, kur e flaku trikon në fund të dhomës, u qaj treti dhe tregoi copat e dëmtuara. Më prisni edhe mua, u luti katërti duke ecur qalëthi. Dje, kur Bardhoshi po luante me top, u djersit. E hoqi trikon dhe e përplasi pa kujdes në tokë. E dini sa u vrava? Pale pastaj që u bëra gjithë pluhur. Dera u hap dhe lepurushët u nisën. Vogëlushit i pikonte zemra tek i shite të largoheshin. Sa të mirë që ishin, mendoi me vete. Sa të bukur. Por ja, po shkojmë. Mos ikni. Do t'ju mbaj pastër këtë i tutje. Bardhosh, ç'ke kështu? Dëgjoi një zë. Vogëlushi hapi syt dhe pa nënën. Po, lepurushët, ç'u bën? Hodhi syt nga trikoja, ata ishin aty. Lodronin e i binin fyeve si gjithmonë. Njëri, ai i mesit, ishte bërë pak me balt, kurse ai në krahun e majt me ngjyrë të kaltër. Pra, nuk ishin ikur, sa të dashur, Bardhoshit i rrahu zemra nga gëzimi. Tani do të dinte vet ai si ta mbante trikon. This is a story, and now we are going also to see the translation. Bardhoshi dhe katër lepurushët. Bardhosh and 4 rabbits. Ishte një fëmijë që e quanin Bardhosh. There was once a boy called Bardhosh. Këtij Bardhoshit një ditë mamaja i bleu triko të bukur. One day, his mother bought him a beautiful sweater. Trikoja kishte ngjyrë të blertë, si bari i lëndinave në pranverë. The sweater was green, like the grass of the meadows in spring. 4 lepurush, borë të bardhë, qëndronin mbi një shiri të kuq në gjoks. 4 snow white rabbits stood on a red stripe across the chest. Ata mbanin nga një thyell në gojë dhe u binin gjithnjë. Each rabbit held a flute in its mouth and played endlessly. Nga që I pëlqeu shumë trikoja, djali e mbajti gjithë ditën veshur. Because Bardhoshi liked the sweater so much, he wore it all day long. Madje edhe në darkë deshi të flinte me të. Even at night, he wanted to sleep with it. Ra në shtrat, por kishte vap, ndaj pas pak e hoqi dhe e hodhi tej. He lay down in bed, but it was hot, so after a while he took it off and threw it aside. Gjumi e zuri shpejt. He quickly fell asleep. Next page. Bardhoshi ndjeu lëvizjet e lehtë. Bardhoshi felt a slight movement. Mbi trikon e blertë dalloi një si mjegull të bardhë. Jo, nuk ishte mjegull. On the green sweater he saw a kind of white mist. No, it was not mist. Padale, ishin lepurushët. Thyet I mbanin në duar, po largoheshin nga trikoja ku shkonin vallë. On the green sweater, yes, wait, they were the rabbits. They held their flutes in their hands now and were leaving the sweater. Where were they going? I pari tha, unë po iki, u mërzita. The first one said, I'm leaving, I'm bored. Më vjen turp të zbukuroj trikon e një fëmije që s'di të ri pastër. I am ashamed to decorate the sweater of a child who doesn't know how to keep clean. Edhe unë do të shkoj, ja priti dyti. Isha I bardh, por Bardhoshi fshiu gishtërinë tek unë dhe më bëri tër njolla boje. I will go too, said the second. I was white, so white. But Bardhoshi wiped his paint-stained fingers on me, and now I'm full of spots. A ka lepurush blu? Are they blue rabbits? Mua më thye pylli mbrëm, kur e flaku triko në fund të dhomës, u qaj treti dhe tregoi copat e dëmtuara. My flute broke last night when he threw the sweater to the floor, complained the third, showing the broken pieces. Më prisni edhe mua, u luti katërti duke ecur qalthi. Dje, kur Bardhoshi po luante me top, u djersit. Wait for me too, begged the fourth, limping. Yesterday, when Bardhoshi was playing ball, he got sweaty. E hoqi trikon dhe e përplasi pa kujdes në tokë. E dini sa u vrava, pale pastaj që u bëra gjithë pluhur. He took it off and threw it carelessly on the ground. Do you know how much I got hurt? And then I was covered all in dust. Dera u hap dhe lepurushët u nisën. The door opened and the rabbits were leaving. Vogëlushit I pikonte në zemër tek I shite të largoheshin. Sa të mirë që ishin, mendoj me vete, sa të bukur, por ja, po shkojnë. The little boy's heart ached as he watched them go. How good they are, he thought, how beautiful, but look, they are leaving. Mos ikni, do t'ju mbaj pastër këtej e tutje. Don't go, I will keep you clean from now on. Bardhosh, Bardhosh, ç'ke kështu? Dëgjoi një zë. Bardhosh, Bardhosh, what is wrong? He heard a voice. Vogëlushi hapi syt dhe pa nënën. Po lepurushët, ç'u bën? The little boy opened his eyes and saw his mother. But what about the rabbits? Hodhi syt nga trikoja, ata ishin aty, lodronin e u binin fyeve si gjithmonë. He looked at the sweater. There they were, playing and blowing their flutes as always. Njëri, ai I mesit, ishte bërë pak me balt, kurse ai në krahun e majt me ngjyrë të kaltër. The one in the middle, was a little muddy, and the one on the left has turned slightly blue. Pra nuk ishin ikur, sa të dashur. So they had not gone away, how dear they were. Bardhoshit I rrahu zemra nga gëzimi. Bardhar's heart beat with joy. Tani do të dinte vet ai si ta mbante trikon. Now he knew how to take care of his sweater himself. So this was the story. I hope that you liked it. And there are so many words that you can learn through this story. Now, I will explain some of them, not everything, of course, but you have the translation. So if you want to learn each word, then please see before my version in Albanian language and after the version in English. The translation is very, very accurate. So it will be very helpful for you to learn specific words. Now, let's see some expressions. We can start with the name Bardhosh. Bardhosh comes from bardhi, which means white, the white color. So the boy's name means whitey, a fair one. Triko. Triko in Albanian language is the sweater. Triko. Lepurush is little rabbit. Lepuri is rabbit and lepurush is little rabbit. And the same one for the word vogëlush. Vogëlush means a little boy. Fyel is the flute. Then of course we have also the colors. I blertë is green color. I bardhë is white. I kuqe red. I kaltër blue. I ndotur or I njolosur means dirty. Then some verbs, for example, vesh, to wear, fle, to sleep, hiq, to take off, or hedh, but hiq is more like when you ask somebody to take off something. So hedh is the verb to take off. Hedh, to throw. Lodroj, to play joyfully. Ik, to live. Then we have also some expressions for you to learn. Vjen turp. I feel ashamed. Vjen turp. Dhem zemra. Dhem zemra. My heart aches. Rrahu zemra nga gëzimi. Rrahu zemra nga gëzimi. My heart beat with joy. Tani do të dija vetë si ta mbaja. Now I would know how to take care by myself. So these are some expressions for you and some words to learn in Albanian language. If you want to learn more, and I cannot do the video very, very long, but go through it as I said before. Read the story in Albanian language with me and then see the translation. The translation is really very accurate. So then you can actually see the words, how they are translated, and learn more vocabulary. I'm really happy to help you in this journey in learning Albanian language. So if you have any questions about this video or other questions about other lessons in Albanian language, please write in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And again, if you want to learn Albanian language, I have 4 books that I published on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description of this video. So if you want to learn more, then you know where to find the books. Mirupafshim and happy learning!